All right, it's quite the day at my house. I've got on my crazy woman t-shirt today. You can hear the carpet is getting removed in the front room right now. But anyway, today's a big day because January's almost over and clients are starting to file their taxes. So every year I send to them their settlement statement so they can use that to know what they can deduct when they file. So for instance, if you just purchased a home in 2024, you can deduct your closing costs. You can deduct the taxes that you paid. You can deduct appraisal costs. There's other closing costs that you'll be able to deduct on your taxes this year. So check with your accountant, make sure. But there's quite a good advantages for buying a home and the things you can deduct. Now, when it comes to selling a home, they have even a little bit more that you can deduct. So any fee that you paid to help you sell the home. So advertising costs, if your agent didn't pay for it, or staging costs. You can deduct the commissions. Any fee that you paid to help you sell a home from the profit you got, that can come off that before your taxes are figured. I also get a lot of questions about capital gains. Now, I'm not an accountant, but I can tell you the general rule of thumb. So if you've lived in your home 2 of the past 5 years, the capital gains or the amount you would be taxed figured on the cost basis. So that means what you paid for the home and then adding in any improvements you made while you own the home. So for instance, right now I'm having my flooring replaced. That would come off my profits when I go to figure my capital gains when I sell this home. We've replaced the roof while we've lived in the home. We've replaced the furnace and AC. All those things can come off your profit before you figure that capital gain. Now, if you've been in the home 2 of the last 5 years, there's also a cap on where your taxes start. So if you're single filing, you can have profit at $250,000 before you have to pay any taxes. If you're married and you've sold your home, and you can have up to $500,000 worth of profit before you pay any capital gains tax. Again, please check with your accountant, but there's a lot of advantages of deductions you can take when it comes to filing your taxes that could help alleviate your tax burden to the IRS.